Hi, welcome to Matt's Garage. We're finally starting demolition.
And you can even hear it!
Yay!
Except I'm going to turn around.
Yeah, we should get out of the frame. This is it, babe. This is the end. Well, all that's left is the office that I used to edit these videos on, so we're committed now. Well, we're down to the end here. House is gone. And you guys might wonder, well, what does it feel like to tear down a house you've been living? So, is it sad?
I don't know. I have to say I thought I would cry when we first saw that excavator going through the house, but I think I just thought, oh my God, this is crazy.
Yeah, it's crazy.
Crazy.
It definitely feels crazy.
Yeah.
Is it sad? It's not. It's just like, it's a big commitment. It's a big dollar outlay and time outlay.
I can't believe it was so fast.
Yeah. It takes like 3 hours to destroy something that takes a year to build. Yeah.
And I also have a better appreciation for how incredibly massive that machine is. And how it can just, with like one swipe.
Sorry, we had to switch to the iPhone here because we're out of battery. But so the next time you see us, we'll be digging foundations.
See you next time on Matt's Garage.